How to remove your Gmail account from another device. So all you have to do is to go to your Gmail application directly, and it will actually lead you to your inbox. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the upper right, you will see your profile icon there. Tap on that, and on the bottom part, you will see under your account, you'll see manage your Google account. Tap on that, and here you will actually see these tabs here. Tap on security. Now here on security, what you want to do next is to scroll down up until you see your devices section. So here you will see all the devices that you have actually logged in your account. So tap on manage all devices here. It's actually written in blue. Now if you tap on that, it will lead you here. So if you scroll down, you will see the different devices that you have actually logged in your account. Now what you want to do is to choose the device that you want to remove your Gmail account from. So let's say this one. Just tap on that, and then here you will see sign out. Now, if you sign out on Windows, so this will remove access to your Google account from the device. Now tap on sign out there, and then done. So if you tap on OK, you have now successfully removed your Gmail account from another device. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.